Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, you need to turn off the water to the refrigerator. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice maker fill tube assembly in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 4-inch nut driver, 1/2-inch open-ended wrench, and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice maker fill tube assembly. The ice maker fill tube assembly connects the water valve to the ice maker. During the fill cycle, water through the fill tube assembly flows into the ice maker. The main reason why the ice maker fill tube will need to be replaced is if it cracks, causing a water leak. We need to remove this rear access panel. It's held in place by 4 1/4-inch screws, and I'm using a 1/4-inch nut driver. I can remove it by taking the screws one by one. Alright, so I'm going to place the towel here under the water valve. Now I'm going to use the 1/2-inch open-ended wrench, and I'm going to unscrew the water inlet line. Make sure the water is shut off at the water supply before you undo this nut. Lift up on the nut and pull the water line. And we got some water coming out. No big deal. And remove the towel. Now we can pull off the rear access panel. Alright, let's peel this tape off. Okay. Now we're going to remove these 2 1/4-inch screws. I'm using a 1/4-inch nut driver. We're going to pull out the water inlet valve. Right now we need to remove this bracket, which is on this line. We need to open a couple of clips here. I'm using a flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to pop it open, and there's one at the bottom. Now we can slide this off, and then we can take out this water line. But before doing that, I'm going to place a towel underneath. And now I'm going to push up on this white locking collar, and at the same time I'm going to pull down on the water line. Alright, now we're going to go up. I'm going to remove this tape partially. We're going to reuse it. Now we're going to turn this inlet tube assembly counterclockwise until it's going to unlock. And we can pull it out. This is the old ice maker fill tube assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So I'm going to insert a new tube into this opening, and pay attention please. We see there's a cutout here, and there's a little notch here. So we're going to insert it this way. Push it in all the way, and then we're going to turn it clockwise. Alright, it's locked. Make sure this rubber gasket is in, covering the opening. Place the tube flat on the surface and tape it down. Now we can go down. Alright, now we're down at the water inlet valve, so I'm going to pull out the towel. We don't need it anymore. Alright, next we're going to insert this tube into this water valve.
It has to go all the way in. All right. And the next step would be installing this bracket. This top of the bracket will serve as the security ring over this locking collar. So we're gonna insert it on the top. We need to open both little doors here. Slide this over the water line, and then we're gonna place this top over the locking ring, locking collar, and we can close the doors. Alright, at this point we can install the water valve onto the body of the refrigerator. I'm going to use this couple of screws and a 1/4-inch nut driver. Match the holes and install the couple of 1/4-inch screws to secure the water valve to this refrigerator. So as long as we're here at the back of the fridge and the access panel is off, I would suggest that we clean the condenser coil. It's not terrible bad, but as you can see, there's plenty of dust in it. So I use the appliance brush. If you don't have one, you can purchase it online from appliancepartspros.com, or you can get it from any hardware store. All right. Now we're gonna install the second tape. Put the tube right there, and we can place the tape over it. Now we're going to install the rear access panel back. Alright, now we can install the water line back onto the valve. Press the line in. And then we're going to manually tighten that nut as far as it goes. Now I'm going to use this 1/2-inch open on the wrench and I'm going to tighten it. Do not over tighten. That would be plenty enough. And now we're going to secure the rear access panel with the screws. Let's align the holes, and then using a 1/4-inch nut driver I'm going to install 4 1/4-inch screws to secure the rear access panel. Plug the fridge in, open the water, and check if there are any leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.